Hey friend marketers or those who are trying to market, I want to show you something here. I tried a plugin. I bought it in August. I installed it on this site on August, beginning of August, like on 10th or 12th or so. And something happened in April, and she was dropping her ranking like crazy. Then we put the backlinks here, and the start is going back up again. And that software is called Crisplinks. Making a little landing page here, so I thought I'd make you a video for it. But this is Crisplinks here. It's a plugin for WordPress. Just upload it to your WordPress site, and every time you post, it'll create 10 backlinks to your post. And the plugin is probably good for 2,000 backlinks. So if you have one website, that's a beautiful little toy. If you have more than one website, I would recommend Backlink Machine. Comes in with a plugin, but I would take the pro version because you have more control. You don't know where Crisplinks makes the backlinks from, or it should be topic related, but I like to have control. So we've tried it here with my friend here. His site got shut down, moved it to .com, and .com is higher competition than just .ca in my case here, and that was really hard to rank it. And then we installed the software at the beginning here, and then you see the backlinks taking effect. He like all the keywords, he only had like one keyword in top 4 to 10, and like you see the results here, and then the backlink kicks in there. 6 keyword rank 1 to 3. Now we're at 13. That's only like 2 months after getting the plugin working here. See here, 73 keywords now ranking. We were like not doing good. It says 1 backlink here, but it's not. It's only starting to detect them, and this guy will update at the end of the month, so then we'll see more backlinks. But if we look here, SEO Quake extension from Google, backlinks, it's telling me on the main domain 200. I can't show you here because my screen is limited. 210 backlinks, 29 referring domains, so it's getting there slowly. The main domain has 14 backlinks. So anyway, that's what it's doing here, and here's a preview of the back office of Backlink Machine. Here's like the requests. That's when you send your you create your backlinks, and then the order gets sent out. Then the number of backlinks that you're creating, you can get a report from it. You can index the backlink, download the report, see the link number I've created, the keywords I've used. Just an amazing little tool, guys. The link builder is here. If you go here, you can enter keywords. Let's say you take 5 keywords, you want them spread on 3 links, like the main site, let's say, is a coffee site. Then the coffee product is coming in 2 different forms, let's say in sachets or in a can or whatever. So you can now create these backlinks to 3, 4, 5 different websites you have, web page you have. Then you can create like 10 keywords. Then here you get to pick in what you're going. So that would be weight loss in this case. Would be health, weight loss here. And then you pick the platform. You can have social network, URL shorteners, wiki backlinks, do follow, blog. It's just an amazing machine. And then if you look at the results that it gives, like I got some DA, which is domain authority, of up to 68 in the backlinks. And these backlinks are $27 for 5,000. every month. That's just crazy. That's cheap. Nobody can offer you that on Fiverr, or they probably outsource it from here. Anyway, I thought I should show you what it can do for your website if you have more than one site, or if you have an agency, you want to sell high quality backlinks with keyword relevant and backlink relevant, like the type of network that are sending it to you, like health and such. Could be, you decide what your client wants, but look at this, like there's a choice there of the type of backlinks that you want to create. Is just amazing. Lawyers, business, locksmith, auto repair, like real estate. So you could actually build a website, multiple pages, boost it with your backlink, and when that site ranks #1, you call the lawyer in town and say, hey, you want to rent my website, $1,000 a month. Bam. That's how you do business on the internet. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, and I should show you the rest maybe. SEO toolkit. There's good little toys in there. I took it because, I can produce reports for my customers that way. But here are the tools with data upgrades. Not necessary, it's just a toy that I really enjoyed. But the pro version here is with all this is just fabulous. There's too much to say about it for me to cover it all, but I just wanted to show you some results. Anyway, enjoy, have a good day, and I should wish you success in your endeavor with your little websites. Thank you. Bye.